Hi everyone, it's Melissa. Welcome back. Without further delay, let me show you how I created this eye makeup look. Before I get started, I'm clipping my hair away from my face. To contour my face, I'll be using the NYX Professional Makeup Wonder Stick. I noticed a lot of influencers are using the underpainting technique to do their face makeup. I am gonna give it a try today and see if it works for me. I'm just placing the darker shade on all the parts that I want to shadow on my face. I'm just blending it out with a blending brush. Next, I'm taking the Tarte Shape Tape and putting it on the high points of my face. Then I'm blending it out using a blending brush. I know it looks a little scary, but trust the process. For bronzer, I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible. I'm placing it on all the places that I put the contour to bring out back a little bit of color in that area. For foundation, I'm applying the Maybelline Superstay Activewear with a Kabuki brush. The way how you use this brush is by easily tapping on the product. Next, for blush, I'll be using Anastasia Beverly Hills and picking up the middle shade. For lips, I'll be using the LA Color Gel Liner, a brown shade. I'm applying it both my top and bottom lips. Next, I'm going in with the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick. I'm placing that all over my lips. For eyes, I will be using the Christen Dominque Pallet. I'm taking Warm Hearted and on a blending brush and apply it to the corners of my eye using the window wiper movements. I'm repeating the step on the other side. Using the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, I'm taking the peachy color and applying that also to the crease of my eyes. I'm blending the two colors together. Next, I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape and we're going to create a cut crease. Next, I'm picking up this beautiful purple glitter shade and applying it to the center of my cut crease. I'm using the Wet n Wild eyelash curlers to curl my eyelashes before I apply my eyeliner. For eyeliner today, I'll be using the Beauties Salute to the Sun Drama Bomb Mascara. This one came in my Boxycharm box, also with the Christen Dominque Pallet. If you'd like to check out Boxycharm, I'll leave a link in the description below. This is not sponsored. Next, I'll be going in with the Maybelline New York Tattoo Studio Ink Pen Eyeliner. You can definitely skip this step or make your wing as you prefer. To line my waterline, I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Mega Lash Waterproof Eyeliner in the shade Black. Next, to set my face, I'm using the Dermablend Setting Powder. Next, I'm going in with the Laura Mercier highlighter and putting it on all the parts of my face that I want to sparkle. Next, I'm picking up Warm Hearted and putting it on the bottom of my lid. Then I'm picking up Love and Light and applying that to the inner corner of my lower lid. And there you have it, the final look. If you like this look, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can stay updated on future videos. Before you go, please check out our other 2 videos and remember, you're beautiful from head to toe. Bye!